It's normal to lose between 50 and 100 hairs per day, with about 100,000 hairs on your head. New hair normally replaces the lost hair, but this doesn't always happen. Hair loss can develop gradually over years, or happen abruptly. It can be permanent or temporary. There are numerous causes of hair loss. The most common cause of hair loss is a hereditary condition that happens with aging. This condition is called androgenic alopecia. This type of hair loss is typically permanent, which means that the hair will not grow back. The follicle itself shrivels up and is incapable of regrowing hair. When hair does grow back, it's possible for the hair to fall out again. Approximately 75% of all men and 25% of all women experience this kind of genetic hair loss, and it often starts in the early 20s. Many men and women may notice mild physiologic thinning of hair starting in their 30s and 40s. Life vicissitudes, including illness, emotional trauma, stress, protein deprivation, and hormonal changes like those in pregnancy, puberty, and menopause, may cause hair loss. And other several health conditions like eating disorders, iron deficiency, anemia, vitamin B deficiency, and secondary syphilis. On the other hand, cancer treatment, chemotherapy or radiation therapy, and immunosuppressive medications commonly produce hair loss. Complete hair loss after chemotherapy usually regrows after 6 to 12 months. Last but not least, the result of using hair care products and using hot tools can have a significant impact on your hair's health and be the main reason for hair loss. However, if diagnosed right, you can control hair fall with certain home remedies that are natural and effective in saving your locks. Are you enjoying the video so far? Give us the thumbs up. Going natural is the best solution for hair problems since it doesn't have any side effects, and its results are long-lasting. There is almost an 80% chance of your hair growing back. Here are the natural treatment for hair loss. 1. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has long been used for treating hair loss. It also soothes the scalp and conditions hair. It can reduce dandruff and unblock hair follicles that may be blocked by excess oil. You can apply pure aloe vera gel to your scalp and hair a few times per week. You can also use shampoo and conditioner that contain aloe vera. 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil fatty acids that penetrate inside the hair shaft and reduce protein loss from hair. Coconut oil can be used either before or after you wash your hair, depending on your hair type. Massage coconut oil into your scalp and all of your hair. If your hair is dry, you can also use it as a leave-on treatment and has been used for centuries. 3. Treatment with eggs. Eggs are essential for healthy hair because they are rich in sulfur, phosphorus, selenium, iodine, zinc, and protein. Separate the white from an egg in a bowl and add a teaspoon each of olive oil and honey. Make a smooth paste by beating the mixture and apply it all over your hair. Focus more on roots and tips. Keep it for 15 minutes and then rinse with a mild shampoo. 4. Fish oil. Consuming omega fatty acids can help to improve your hair from the inside, since they are filled with nutrients and proteins. Taking an omega supplement along with antioxidants helps to improve hair density, diameter, and also reduces hair loss. Omega fatty acids help your cells to work correctly and can boost immunity, leading to better overall health. 5. Green tea. This tea is rich in antioxidants, which help boost hair growth and prevent hair loss. Soak 2-3 tea bags in 1-2 cups of hot water depending on the length of your hair. When it cools, pour this over your scalp and hair while gently massaging your head. Rinse with cool water after an hour. If you want to improve your hair, come up with a plan and stay consistent. Remember that the treatments may take a few months to yield noticeable results. Stay positive and do your best to maintain a healthy lifestyle that will complement your hair treatment plan. If you like the video, Share it with your friends. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for watching.